Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about a different kind of optimization that can be very useful in algorithmic trading. Bacterial foraging optimization is a population-based optimization algorithm that simulates the foraging behavior of bacteria. This algorithm is based on the principles of chemotaxis, where bacteria move towards a nutrient source by following a chemical gradient. BFO is used to optimize complex and multidimensional problems. In this article, we will discuss how to use BFO in optimization. The BFO algorithm can be divided into four main steps: chemotaxis, reproduction, elimination, dispersal, and migration. Each step has a specific function in the optimization process. Chemotaxis. In the first step of the algorithm, a set of candidate solutions is randomly generated. These solutions are called bacteria. Each bacterium is initialized with a random position in the search space. The objective function is then evaluated for each bacterium. The bacteria then move towards higher concentrations of nutrients in the search space. The movement is based on the diffusion and consumption of the nutrients. The bacteria with higher concentrations of nutrients are more likely to move towards the attractant, which is the optimal solution. Reproduction. In the second step of the algorithm, the bacteria with the highest nutrient concentration are selected for reproduction. The reproduction process involves exchanging genetic material between the parent bacteria to produce new offspring. The offspring are then evaluated using the objective function, elimination dispersal. In the third step of the algorithm, bacteria with low nutrient concentration are eliminated to maintain the population size. The eliminated bacteria are then dispersed in the search space to explore new regions. This step helps to avoid getting trapped in local optima. Migration. In the final step of the algorithm, the bacteria migrate to new locations in the search space. The migration is based on the diffusion and consumption of the nutrients. The bacteria with higher nutrient concentration are more likely to move towards the attractant, which is the optimal solution. To use the BFO algorithm for optimization, the following steps need to be followed. Define the problem to be optimized and the objective function to be minimized or maximized. Define the search space for the problem. Initialize the population of bacteria with random positions in the search space. Evaluate the objective function for each bacterium. Perform the chemotaxis step to move the bacteria towards higher nutrient concentrations. Perform the reproduction step to generate new offspring. Evaluate the objective function for the offspring. Perform the elimination dispersal step to eliminate low nutrient concentration bacteria. Perform the migration step to move the bacteria to new locations in the search space. Repeat steps 5 to 9 until a stopping criterion is met, such as a maximum number of iterations or a minimum error threshold. In conclusion, bacterial foraging optimization is a population-based optimization algorithm that simulates the foraging behavior of bacteria. It is a useful tool for optimizing complex and multidimensional problems. The algorithm involves chemotaxis, reproduction, elimination dispersal, and migration steps to find the optimal solution in the search space. By following the steps outlined above, the BFO algorithm can be used to solve a wide range of optimization problems. Ciao.